Now, Stuart Moran requested me to draw a HST. That's very nice of him. I have seen the Intercity 125 many times. Many times. Why is GWR replacing theirs? It's supposed to be sharing, not replace it. I don't know what's going on here. They converted to MTU engines in 2005. So they allow the fleet to remain in service. This will allow extensional cuts and journey times. The first one was built in 1975. The prototype was Class 41, was built at Crew Works, but being transferred to Derby Works for completion. But some of the GWR HSTs have moved to Scotland. We might see them at some time. We might see them at some time on non-electrified routes. We've travelled on these many times. We love them. Across Scotland. Some of these were in ScotRail between Edinburgh, Glasgow, and Aberdeen and Inverness. We love the liveries and formations they come in. I have travelled on it before. With any operator, such as the Great Western Railway, you're unable to book your type of train. It is entirely potluck if you get an IET or an Intercity 125. For whatever operator, you're unable to book your type of train. It's just a power car of the Great Western Railway. So, Brush Traction repaints the power cars, whilst the coach transformed by Wabtec in Doncaster. Hopefully those trains will get better seats and CCTV cameras as well. That will be fantastic. Much safer for driver-only operation. First all trains are having the HSTs for London to Hull services. So, GWR HST. Thank you to Stuart Moran. I think I might be still sharing with the 800s and 802s, I think. I don't know. Peace.